Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the video category within the YouTube Studio on PC or laptop. So category fields are found on YouTube platforms. This form a wide scale from entertainment to how-to, covering every single niche you could think of. When you select a category, it tells the YouTube algorithm whom to recommend your videos to. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your YouTube channel. So open lang natin ang ating Chrome browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na, and dito lang sa ating YouTube channel, dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung ating YouTube profile. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung YouTube Studio. So itap mo lang yan. And dito lang sa ating channel dashboard. So dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung content. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa ating channel content, dito lang sa mga videos natin. So kung paano ba natin i-change yung video category, dito lang sa YouTube Studio. So select lang tayo ng ating video. So click lang natin tong, for example, itong aking naka-unlisted na video. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa video details, and then scroll down lang tayo. Scroll down. So kailangan mo lang hanapin dito or allocate yung category. So add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily. So click mo lang dito yung arrow na yan para mag-select ka dito kung anong klaseng category yung video na i-upload mo. So for example, ang ating content ay for tutorial, troubleshootings, guide and tips. So nakategorize siya dito sa how to and style. Kung gusto mo naman ng entertainment, so select mo lang dito, educations, comedy. Nandito lahat yung mga kategory na magsasabi kung anong videos yung nararapat na ilagay mo dito. Okay? Kung music, select mo lang dito. Alright, so wag nating kakalimutan, kapag naglagay tayo ng video details ay kailangan natin i-categorize yung video natin para mas madaling i-recommend ni YouTube kung saan siya nararapat na platform dito sa YouTube. Right, so select ko lang dyan, and that's it. Ganun lang po kasimple. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change video category in YouTube Studio on PC or laptop. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.